Hey guys, I'm Tory from Creations with Tory, a do-it-yourself channel. If it's crafty, I'll try it. If it's broken, I'll fix it. I'm teaming up with Mary Ellen from Life is Messy, but I'm learning as I grow for a super fun YouTube Partner Perks collaboration. So we're sharing clever hacks that you may not know. Some are surprising, some might be lifesavers, and some are totally doable. This video is part of the YouTube contest. So if you love it, give it a thumbs up. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. And if you're still not sure, give it a thumbs up. And check out both of our channels in the descriptions below.
Hi there, I'm Mary Ellen, and my YouTube channel is called Life is Messy, but I am learning as I grow. On my channel, we ditch perfection and embrace the mess, because in life's messes we learn and grow. I share DIY crafts, plant-based recipes, garden tips, family fun, and the occasional cute cat video. We also love to celebrate all the holidays together with festive DIY decor and delicious seasonal recipes. Plus, if you've got an Instant Pot or air fryer collecting dust, I can teach you how to use them with ease. Everything comes with a light-hearted, learn-as-you-go approach. If that sounds like something you're interested in, I invite you to visit my channel, subscribe, and join in on the fun. I'm so excited to be teaming up with Tory for this video. I've already learned some clever new hacks from her, and I'm always happy to share a few of mine.
Number 10. This is another fun hack, especially if you've ever opened a Tic Tac container expecting one mint and half the bottle comes pouring out. But did you know that the container actually is designed to give you just one at a time? Here's how it works. Flip the container upside down before you open the lid. That little groove under the cap, it's shaped to catch one single Tic Tac. Open it slowly and there it is, a single Tic Tac right in the groove. No mess, no mint explosion, just a smart design doing its thing quietly and brilliantly. Number 9.
Can we talk about aluminum foil for a second? Because for years I thought it was just one of those kitchen products that came with a built-in annoyance. Here is the problem: you go to grab a sheet of aluminum foil, and the whole roll comes flying out of the box, bouncing across the counter like it's got somewhere better to be. It's annoying, it unrolls everywhere, and you end up wrestling it back into the box. I've even cut myself in all that chaos. Sometimes it even rips and destroys the foil, and with the price of aluminum foil these days, we don't want to be wasting any. Here's a super simple solution that fixes it in seconds. Lock-in tabs. I had never even noticed them, but they're right there on the sides of the box. See that little perforated circle? That's your lock-in tab. Use your finger or a pen to push that tab in on both sides of the box. Once those tabs are pressed in, the roll can't slide out anymore. You can pull foil with one hand, tear what you need, and the box stays steady. No more slipping, unrolling, or injuries. I honestly can't believe I've gone this long without knowing this. It's such a tiny detail that makes a huge difference.
Number 8. This is a cool hack, especially when your flashlight takes AA batteries and you're completely out. Fun fact, AAA batteries actually have the same voltage as AA batteries. They're just shorter. That size gap means that they won't reach the contact point unless you get creative. So here's what you do. Tear off a small piece of aluminum foil, scrunch it into a ball, drop the AAA batteries into the AA slot. Want the positive side faced up. Next, you're going to place that scrunched ball of aluminum on top of the positive. Take the flashlight lid, screw it back on, and presto, there you go. Boom, lights on. Just remember, aluminum foil is conductive, so it completes the circuit and it gives the battery a chance to shine. It's a quick fix, not a long-term one, but in an emergency, it absolutely works. Number 7.
If you've ever burned your finger on a hot glue gun or sliced it open on the edge of an aluminum foil box, you know the struggle of trying to put a band-aid on a finger. You wrap it and it bunches up, you bend your finger and it pops off, and somehow the sticky part ends up on everything except your skin. Total mess. Here's a super simple hack that actually works. Start with a regular band-aid, leave the wrappers on. Use scissors to cut a small slit on each end of the band-aid, about halfway through the sticky part. Peel off the wrappers, stick the pad over your injury, and wrap the 4 flaps around your finger like you're tucking it in. Boom. It fits snugly, bends with your finger, and actually stays put. No more sticky drama for this mama. This little trick has saved me so many times, especially when I'm filming a video, because honestly, you don't want to see my bunched up band-aid falling off into whatever I'm making. It's quick, simple, and actually works. No more slipping, bunching, or needing to reapply every 5 minutes. So the next time you get a mystery cut while cooking, grab a band-aid, give it a couple snips, and wrap it up like a pro.
Number 6. This was a pretty cool pizza hack that I saw on TikTok, where you turn the pizza box into a smaller leftover box so it fits in your refrigerator. Of course, when I was recreating what I saw online in this video, I realized that all pizza boxes are not created equally. The first step was removing the lid from the box. That part was pretty easy. I opened the pizza box and I tore along the perforation and I removed the lid completely. In the video I I saw the side of the pizza box had perforated cutouts that you could tear to make folding it easier. Of course, mine didn't have that, so I tore little pieces out the best I could. Then I folded the box in half. The box had a sticker on top, so I improvised and I reused that to keep the box closed. Here's the thing. There's no one right way. Every box is a little different, so you just need to get creative to create your perfect leftover box. Either way, it saves space in your refrigerator, so you can't go wrong. Number 5.
Imagine you're halfway through a recipe, hands covered in flour, syrup dribbling off the counter, and then it hits you. Where is the measuring cup? Either it's in the dishwasher, disappeared into thin air, or your kids used it to scoop cat food again. Check out this hack.no measuring cup needed. Grab a mason jar. Most mason jars actually have ounce and cup measurements molded right into the glass. That's right, your cute little canning jar is secretly a measuring tool in disguise. Look closely at the side of your mason jar. You'll see raised markings in ounces, milliliters, and sometimes even full cup increments. Pour your liquid or dry ingredients right into the jar, using those lines as your guide. Boom. Accurate measuring, no extra dishes, and you feel a little like a rustic kitchen wizard. Here is a bonus tip. Use the jar to measure, mix, store, and even serve all in one. I mix salad dressing right in the jar, pop on a lid, shake it up, and throw it in the fridge. One jar for 4 jobs. Yes, please. So next time your measuring cups are MIA, don't panic. Grab a mason jar, squint at those tiny lines, and keep on cooking like the multitasking genius you are. One less dish to wash and one more hack unlocked.
Number 4. Have you ever rented a car or driven a friend's and even in your own car, totally forget what side the gas tank is on? You pull up to the gas station ready to pump only to realize it's on the other side? Here's a quick hack so that doesn't happen to you again. Look at the dashboard. Right where it shows your gas level, you'll see a little gas pump icon. Next to it, there's a tiny arrow. That arrow tells you which side the gas tank is on. Mine points left, which means my gas tank is on the left side. So next time you're driving a car, check yours out and never circle the pump again. Number 3.
So many kitchen utensils get used for just one thing. The egg slicer that only sees daylight twice a year, the apple corer that lives in the back of the drawer, and yes, even the pizza cutter, which most of us only grab on pizza night. But what if I told you one of these one-job-only tools could actually do more? Introducing your new everything cutter. Most people think a pizza cutter is just for slicing pizza, but that little rolling blade is seriously underrated. I used to only pull it out on pizza night until I learned this hack. Now I use it for everything. Your pizza cutter can cut way more than just pizza. Think pancakes, waffles, toast, quesadillas, sandwiches, French toast, even soft fruits. It's quick, clean, and honestly kind of fun. It's so easy, just lay out whatever you're serving. Roll the pizza cutter across in one direction, then again the other way to create bite-sized pieces. That's it. No sticky knives, no mess, no stress. I learned this hack while working in a daycare. Imagine how long cutting up pancakes for 20 hungry toddlers can take. It's a flash with a pizza cutter. It's also safer. Less slipping, no sharp sawing. Now you can use your pizza cutter daily. It's one of those simple hacks that makes a big difference.
Number 2. Hey guys, have you seen the Hershey bar hack? I broke off one piece and I cut a diagonal line across the Hershey bar, slid that piece over, and then suddenly I had a space to put the broken piece back in. But here's the wild part. I still had a piece left. So I did it again, and somehow I still had more chocolate. At this point, I don't even know what's happening, but I'm not asking questions. I'm just making chocolate. And number 1.
Let's be real. Spaghetti feels like an easy dinner until you're holding a handful of dry noodles, second-guessing yourself. Is that enough? Maybe just a few more. Next thing you know, you've cooked enough pasta to host a neighborhood block party. Been there, done that. Turns out the spaghetti spoon we've all been using has been trying to help us this whole time. That hole in the middle of the spoon, it's not just for draining water or looking fancy. It actually measures 1 serving of dry spaghetti. All you have to do is grab your spaghetti spoon, the one with the big hole in the middle. Take a handful of dry spaghetti noodles and slide them into the hole. Whatever fits neatly through the hole is 1 adult portion. I trust this spoon more than my own judgment when it comes to pasta portion sizes. No guessing, no waste, no mountain of noodles. I bet you've had this spoon for years and just realized it had this secret feature. It's a super simple trick that makes meal prep easier, faster, and way less wasteful. So next time you're cooking pasta, don't just stir with that spoon. Measure with it first. It's a small hack, but a total game changer if you're tired of guessing and undercooking or overcooking noodles.
That's a wrap on our 10 hacks collaboration video. It was such a blast teaming up with the amazing Mary Ellen from Life is Messy, but I'm learning as I grow for the YouTube Partner Perks collaboration contest. Honestly, we should have done this a lot sooner. Now we want to hear from you guys. Which hack totally surprised you? Which one are you itching to try? What did you think of this collab? Do you want to see us team up again? Drop your dream hack topics in the comments below. So if this video made you smile, smash the like button, hit subscribe, and share it with your hack-loving friends. And don't forget to check out Mary Ellen's channel, Life is Messy, but I'm learning as I grow. I'll leave her link in the descriptions below. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next one.